Totally. I mean, coming again from the smaller company size, team of 10 people, every hour is just so valuable within those 10 people. So like I mentioned before, our director of operations was basically a glorified admin with all the just manual bookkeeping, data entry, maneuvering one item from one software to another type of work that she was doing. And all of a sudden, after we implemented just these 2 data flows, and I think there's probably even more in our future that we could do, but even just implementing these 2, the amount of time it freed up for her, where now she's able to look at the organization truly as a director of operations versus what are all the little gnats and tedious tasks that I have to get done with each and every day just to keep things on the rails. That's been just an absolutely game-changing benefit. And we had one example where, we were like, needing to send out an invoice, and she didn't have time to send out an invoice out of our accounting platform, and we're like, oh, we can just run it through Stripe, and then it'll automatically create the invoice for us because of our integration. And then we've actually just changed it to be our process that instead of like manually doing invoicing, we're just pushing everyone for those services that are like we could use through the app. We're just pushing them through the app, collecting payment there, because then it's an already automated process. And so to the extent we can kind of automate that, collection process, automate that initial invoicing, all those different steps, we can essentially service more customers, and that just is how we're able to scale and grow.